Hello, just got back from vacation all the way in Canada there. The 2-liter EcoBoost did sweet. You could tell it was Canada because dirty, so dirty. Oh yeah, keep a cloth in the car for the backup camera. Anyway, I get home, check my truck just because I'm taking this and programming it tomorrow for this TPMS. The Falcons did great, by the way, the snow tires, even though there wasn't much snow. The hybrid, starting to be on my yit list, alright? It's stone dead after a week. Stone dead. Nothing. Nobody's home. Now, I know this isn't even a comparison, but this Crown Vic, if I tried to start it right now, well, let's just try. I mean, it's not apples to apples because this thing has like no modules, you know? Watch, I'm gonna eat my own words and you get me on video. But let's see. Oh, we got lights. That's already more. This thing is absolutely gangster mobile too. Town car cluster Mustang wheels, lowered, no door handle. Loyal. Just loves it. I haven't started this thing in a month. So, go over here to the hybrid, and I'm gonna maybe break something here. I haven't read the manual. Get that primed and ready. That's ground's not hooked up. Everything's hooked up in there to the house battery. Let's see what happens. What could go wrong? If it breaks, I won't upload this video. I'll tell you that much. All right. We got lights. I got lights. I got dome lights. That's more than I had on the EcoBoost. Ha! All right. Got lights. Start. Oh, started. Nice. Cool. Turn everything off. Let it run. Find a battery charger. Okay, I'm gonna. Wow. Can't believe it, man. What the heck, you know? Positive first. This one only has 5,000 miles on it. Having all the problems with it. Leaking trans, blah, blah, blah. This EcoBoost, the only thing I ever had go wrong with it was the purge valve got replaced. But I mean, that's an EcoBoost thing, you know? So, other than that, this thing's been awesome. So, we got 30 miles per gallon driving this up to Northern Ontario. Been great. I used Pennzoil Platinum this time, so it was a trial. I'm usually a Mobile One extended. I kind of mess around with the full synthetics. Oh, and by the way, another thing, EcoBoost. Just took this off, didn't break it, you know, it's all good. I know it's warm under the hood, you know, yada yada. You better believe yourself. I definitely just broke the crap out of that thing. Just barely touched it. It's like almost 40 degrees. Just broke. So, gonna have to come up with something there. This is hard, the other one's soft. So yeah, you can jump start your hybrid if it's stone dead with an EcoBoost, but you gotta have an EcoBoost Maverick to start your hybrid Maverick, or else. Alright guys, peace. Thanks for watching my dumb videos.